boom pals out, and I'm going to show some portable solar panels or solar chargers. I got two different types. I got the Goal Zero. It's a Nomad 20. It's supposed to be, I think it's 21 watts. I think it's 7 watts per panel. And this one is the big blue 28 watt. Again, it's a lot cheaper than Goal Zero, and a smaller footprint for supposedly more wattage. It has a display of some type. I think it's volts. Goal Zero doesn't. It's a bigger footprint for the Goal Zero, even though there's more watts supposedly on Big Blue. And let's see what they come with. It's getting a little bit of, I don't know if you see it blinking, but it's getting a little bit of power from just the lights in here. It has some clips to secure it to like a backpack or something. And it has a standard micro USB wire. I guess, okay, right here is the USB. It's got two USB ports on the display. All right, we'll pack to store everything in. This one has a little bit more stuff. Goal Zero does. Came with a 12 volt, I guess, standard plug, USB with an extension cord. These are usually pretty specific, but I don't know what this goes to. It says it's a solar port, so maybe it, like if you link them together, you can link a couple panels together. And this says it's a solar port also. So I guess, well, I don't know. They're all solar ports. maybe they're very specific chargers. Because this one, okay, this one has a little extension here. Yeah, I think these are to link them together. So this is similar too. Or accessories. This is an accessory, and this would be an accessory. So I guess it's just, it has a USB and two accessory ports and whatever you use to charge that, with probably a Goal Zero, I'm assuming a Goal Zero, some kind of accessory. Not as many things. This has more stuff come with it than that does. It also has, the clips are on here already. The one I have anyway. This is 100 and, I think on Amazon it said it's about, I think 129, 126.49 free shipping with Prime. This was 59. So we'll take them outside and get them hooked up. I have two little portable battery packs. They're depleted the same amount. We'll see about how long it takes to charge, or if they charge them the same amount of time. So, go outside and set them up and see how long it takes. I've got them set up on the kids' trampoline out in the yard. You can hear the heat bug making noise. Perfectly clear blue sky. And it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. So I took some extended USB cords with the USB micro drives, micro ports. And the reason for this, I'm trying to get these battery packs out of the sun. Because if they get too hot, they're not going to want to charge. I mean, it goes with any battery. If they're hot, they won't charge. So let me plug these in. This is for the Big Blue. See if I can hold this still while I do it. Here's one showing that it's charging. It's a little light display. And so it's not too much time in between. Oh, need another hand. And the other one's going. And what I'm going to try and do is find a little bit of shade, probably up underneath here. If I can get enough room. These cords. And put it in the shade. I know it's on the ground, but these are pretty rugged little battery packs. And I'll check back in a few hours, see what they are, what they do. Now these will charge your phones if you plug them straight in. However, if you get a cloud come over, it's going to be blinking on and off, saying it's not charging anymore or whatnot. So the best thing is to charge a battery pack and plug in the phone to the battery pack while it's charging. That way you never lose the voltage. Let's see what this thing says. 1.6. What is that? I'll have to read the directions. I'll tell you exactly what that is. This has been out here all day. It's nice and cool now. The heat bugs aren't as loud as they were. I'm going to see if these have charged. Well, they're still charging. Look at that. And let's see how long it's done. It's completely charged. So Big Blue has completely charged that. These are long, they take a long time to charge, even with the wall adapters. Let's see what this one's done. Come here, you. Get out of the bugs. All right. Okay, this one has not charged as much, which is weird. I'm wondering. Yeah, well, I guess I'm going to have to do another day because it's plugged in. It's got the same cord as the other one, but it's not as charged. This one is completely charged. It appears Big Blue has won, but I'm gonna have to do another day just to find out. It's just the same as it was. And in the past, these have worked really well for me. So I'll do another day and we'll find out. Got more sunlight. And it says 0.5. I don't know why. The amp meter. But this one says it's charging. A lot of little blinking lights, if you can believe them. But it did not charge with the Gold Zero, which I'm kind of confused about because I have other Gold Zero products and they're usually pretty good. And even with it being 8 watts less than this one, it should have charged something, right? It didn't do anything. So I've got this on this panel for a little while, if I can keep the sun on it, to see how much juice we can get. I may put it down on the ground so we get more sun. There we go. We'll try this in a little bit. Well, there must be something wrong with that, which I can't figure out what could possibly go wrong with a solar panel, but it did not charge. Stuck it onto the other one and charge it all the way up. So I'm not really sure what to tell you. I'm going to stick some stuff on this one to see what all it can do for me. Try plugging in a phone or something. An old Samsung phone, see if I can plug it up, see what it does. Well, it says it's charging. Guess I can let it sit out here for a little while, see how well it charges. It's been out here about an hour charging this phone, and the sun's gone away. So we'll just see here. 13%. So it does work, just not as good as that one apparently. I'm really impressed with that one for the price. They did a heck of a good charge on that on the battery pack, and those things take a long time even when you use the wall chargers on them. So this I mean, it's got it beat by about 8 watts, but just overall size, price, you can't beat that. Boom Pals out, like, subscribe, comment.